friends, how are you all doing this morning? Welcome back to my channel. This is Gucci's Kitchen. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for stopping by, tuning into this platform. This morning I want to show you all the goodies, for my smoothie. I just thought of it. I've been doing my smoothie behind the camera all this time, and this morning I say I need to show you guys. So if you want to get your smoothie done, I would advise you just slice all your fruits and just freeze them in case you're a worker and then you're on diet. You just want to make your smoothie first thing in the morning and before you get to work. So what you do is you just slice everything like you see in this Ziploc. I have any type of fruits here. I have them like that in badges, and I just slice them and put them in my freezer. So when I come up in the morning, all I just do is grab this. You can see I have my garlic and ginger. This is very, very important in your smoothie. You want to put your garlic, you want to put your ginger, you want to go ahead and put your turmeric as well. All these are very healthy and good for you. Okay, I'm going to be cleaning my turmeric in a minute. I do this, and each time I make this smoothie, I just want to go ahead because I'm running late already. And each time I make this, and I drink it all through the day at job. At my work, I drink this all through the day. I make sure I don't eat any other thing. And even if I'm hungry, I just snack on something reasonable. Because out there, honestly, the kind of food they have out there, it's not something you want to just, it's not the kind of food you want to be eating on. So if you want to eat healthy, this is what you can do to help yourself. Next, you just want to add your apple cider vinegar. This is the brand I used to use, the one that says with the mother. So you just want to add a little drop of it. And this is my daily routine. I drink apple cider vinegar every morning. I think that should be enough. So you want to go ahead and grab some water like so, and then you blend. Guys, I eat everything in this very fruit. I don't take anything away. The fiber, everything is healthy for me. I don't know about you, for me, it's a very healthy option. Sometimes when you're very hungry, you just pick on anything. That's junk. What I do is I slice my fruit and I just sip on my drink. This will be all for today for me. I'm not sifting anything out, guys. No, I'm not going to sift anything out. This is what I'll take all through the day. And then if I feel more hungry, because this will make you go very hungry. Yes, I promise you, it will make you go hungry. I just sip a little bit. Make sure I have something in my stomach. I eat with the fiber. That's the way I like to go about the one I take to work. And I get something like this, I just pour everything. When I close it, I'll just be taking it like my juice. Like people who go take juice, take coffee. No, I don't take that. This is what I do. And that's fine for me for the day. I've gone ahead to cut this into two. I've gone ahead to cut this into two. I'll just take half of this. You just take this out. They call that golden apple. I don't know if you know about it. It's really, really nice. And I like it that it's crunchy. I like when stuff like this are crunchy, especially your papaya. I like to eat my papaya crunchy sometimes, not very, very soft. Yeah. And then I'll be snacking on my papaya. Like so. Very nice. So that's what I do, guys. You can do the same. Please make sure you like, subscribe to this platform, share to your friends and loved ones. If you like, you can leave it this way. Just pick it up. I like it very crunchy. This will do for the day. That's it, guys. See you. Thank you for staying. Bye.